How to add music to Google Slides. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open any presentation on Google Slides. So as you can see, I have this on here. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on Insert and then click on Audio. Now, after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply upload your music to your Google Drive account. So simply go to googledrive.com and then simply click on New and then click on File Upload and simply upload your song. Now, after you do that, you're gonna find it right here. So simply select it, double click on it, and as you can see, it's creating the audio. So all you have to do now is simply set up. So as you can see on the right side, you have different settings. So you can start this song. As you can see, we have the icon right here. So we can start displaying on click or automatically. Now here you can change the volume, and here you're gonna have this option, which is stop on slide change. So if you want, you can disable this, and basically this will run in the background for the entire presentation. Now, if you want, you can even loop the audio and you can hide the icon that you're seeing right here when presenting. So basically that's all you have to do in order to add music to Google Slides. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.